What happened again?
Mia! I found a beautiful apartment to rent.
What now? First, call the landlord and ask, is the apartment still available? If yes, you can say, I'd like to schedule a viewing, or, more casual and common, can I come see the apartment?
Next, go see the apartment in person. This is called a viewing.
So, I am viewing the apartment?
Exactly.
Can I view the kitchen first? Very important.
These are the questions you can ask while visiting. Are utilities included? How much is the deposit? When can I move in?
Are utilities useful?
Utilities. Things like electricity, water, and gas. Finally, if everything is approved, you sign the lease and get the keys.
Lease. What is lease?
A lease is a contract between you and the landlord.
Oh, the contract. I know contract.
Exactly.
So I signed the contract,
Yes,
give them my money,
definitely.
and they give me the keys?
Yep.
Wow, I already like this contract.
You haven't even seen it yet.